Today we'll be actually learning how to make a simple game. Okay, so I have open Roblox Studio, you can see. Yeah, so if you don't have downloaded it, yeah, it downloads with Roblox, so yeah, I think you guys already have it. But so what we want to do is click over here, classic base plate or base plate. I prefer this because I don't need to like fix the sky and everything, so I'm gonna click this. I'll be loading. Okay, so now we are inside the game. You have already a game. Whoa, guys, we are done with tutorial. Well, not really, because first we actually gotta make a map probably. So to make a map, we can just go and yeah. Before you guys before we continue, if you don't have these, you can go up to there, and then there will be explorer and properties. These are these are like the most important things. But first you got to click the file, publish to Roblox, and I want to name this tutorial game. Oh my god, I almost spelled cars. I'm so into cars. Okay, and I want to take it off because then it will like be so slow when loading. You can, yeah, we don't need VR. Yeah, phone and tablet. Okay, create. Okay, and then we have published it, and it says tutorial game. So first we want to make a map. So you want to click here, and then we got base plate. You want to click, and then click on brick color, or color here if you want, but we are gonna take brick color. So I kind of like this Roblox style. We can change the materials. Marble looks weird. Leather, it looks better. It actually kind of looks like grass. What about foil? Oh yeah, no. Oh, actually looks kind of like grass. Oh, we can use that. And then, you know, and then we want to like go outside, because yeah. So then we want to put then you want to click here, and then spawn. And now we got a spawn location. So now you'll be spawning there when you play the game. We are not gonna test it because, of course, you're gonna spawn there. But then we want to yeah, so the plan is to make like, okay, a simple game. So I mean like a game that we are going to be easily making. So oh yeah, there is the thing I was looking for. But yeah, we can put this in there. So we'll be putting this all the way over here, and to rotate it's R, and if it doesn't move 45 degrees, then you can go up here. Oh yeah, it automatically does that, but you can here you can like move 10 parts. Nice. Rotate 45 degrees, which does so when you click here. You can like rotate 45 degrees. I can even show you if we take like 10. Yeah, smaller turning circles. But I have all those off for right now. But now we got that, and now I want to make, so this is like a sword fighting game. Oh yeah, was here, we gonna move that. So to make that, we want to go here, there, and yeah, so I it was too fast here. If we click here, put this tool into start pack. We want to click yes, and then we want to I want a sky to make it look more beautiful. But yeah, we can put a artistic sky, which will make it more beautiful. And we got this, which we need to worry about. This is just for graphics, but if you want, you can click the blue and then shift and then click there. You want to move this into lighting. So just makes graphic a little more better, but it's nothing super important. But then we want to click, but then we got this right now, and then we want to actually make so you can yeah. But then a lot of things that I want is a day and night cycle. So to do that, you want to go in here, Explorer, and click server script storage and a script. This will be not so hard actually. If we click on script and then name this into cycle, you don't need to, but it's for organize. And you want to click here, and then this will be like, this is like the easiest thing here. So this is a print. That's all what print does, because it's nothing here, no way to anything. When I click run and then click here view and output, you'll be seeing hello world from server script server cycle, which this is in. Then we want to click stop right up here, and I want to work on the game, and even shows what line of code it is at, 2, and so yeah. But then we want to type here day night cycle loaded, and so it doesn't do so like it's a day night cycle, just for appearance. But then we want to take a while true do here, which will be our, yeah, it will be, wait, this is kind of in the way, bro. Yeah, but we want this to actually like make so the sun goes where's the sun even? Huh? Doesn't this have a sky? Oh yeah, it does. Oh, so I see why. So I want to go in lighting and sky, and then central bodies, celestial body shown. Click that, and then we supposed to have a sun. Nice. And then we want to go in here, and then if you do this, and then it like moves, and if you move it enough, it will become night. Whoa. A moon. And then it becomes dark. But yeah, we want to do this, and then we want to type in game dot lightning dot clock time equals, and then game dot lightning dot clock time plus 0.1, and then we want to take a weight 0.05, and then we got that. And so let's see if that actually like changes time that I thought it will do. So now you can click run, and then we're supposed to see that the sun goes, oh wait, it does actually work. Yeah, so now we got fast day night cycle, which is nice. So if we want this to be slower, we can actually do this and then space and the time symbol and 0.5 if you want. So this will make so it's more slower. But then we want to click toolbox, and then we also want so you can see so that you can sorry for a voice crack. But we want to so it's a little bit more faster to respawn. So what you want to do is click players and then 1 if you want. And any of this you don't need to change, just this. But then we got that, and then we want so you can run. Okay, so we're gonna go here, local script, and this is going to be a little bit hard in my thing to run. Not so. So what we want is a local player equals game guest service. No wait, we don't need to do that, it looks more advanced then. Game top players, the local player, we got the player value, you can see the character, player UI, everything. So what we want to do, and what we want to do is a local UIs will be user input service, game dot user input service, and then you want to have a local running and then equals false. Now we want to actually script this, but to make it more customizable we want a local character run speed, which will be how fast you want play to run. We'll be having this at 25. But then we also want the character, and we want the local character equals player dot character, and then we want a the humanoid root part, which is the thing that does so you can walk. So the player can move. So we want a local humanoid equals character dot humanoid. Wait, did I say humanoid root part? I think I did before. Oh, and then we want to get the player speed. Speed equal humanoid dot walk speed. So this will always be a number. You don't need to do this, but yeah, always a number. Okay, and then we want to code the thing. So we want the UIs dot input began connect function, and we want a output of the input. So we want input. Whoa, you just did your first line of real coding almost. Then we want a if input dot key code and 2 equals, because if you have 1, it will become error, but if you have 2, it will not be error. Then we want enum dot key code and left shift, and we want a then, so it will checks if that is the input, which is very good, because other than that you cannot run. So we want a and then we want to type running with 1 equals true, and we want the humanoid dot walk speed. So if I'm wondering, why can we not just use player speed? Well, it will save the player speed before you are running, because it will change the walk speed and then you will never get your own number. So yeah, that's why walk speed equals, and want to scroll down, character run speed. And then we're basically done there on that. Now when you hop inside game, which you're not supposed to do right now, you can press left shift and then you will just get a faster speed. So yeah, but if you want to but we want to make so it always, yeah, so it always becomes the normal play speed when you are not holding the shift speed anymore. So then we want to hold here down, and then we want to right click. Sorry, I took time because I forgot which was left click and right click. Well, we want to click copy or Control plus C, but I will be take copy. Okay, and then we want to enter 2 times, and then we want to right click again and then paste. And so now it's the exact same. Then we want to click here 2 times and then input ended, and then we'll check everything, and then you want to change this to a false and this to the player speed. As now you'll be seeing they will be running. Whoa, never thought it could be running Roblox. I don't know why run in Roblox when you can walk. But now if I press left shift, look, I'm running. Yay, I'm running, guys. And then we got this. Oh, that was loud. Then we got the sword. Yes, good game. So good that I tasted. Yeah, I know I'm kind of weird though. But then we want to click stop because we'll be adding a lot more things. Not yet, but yeah, there will be much more videos about this series. But then we want to add in the dead guy, like, you know, the dead guy over here. His name's Bob, so you guys know. But we got that. And if you want different weapons, you can click this working pistol, and then you also want that into starter pack, which is here where all the tools are. But if you want like different stuff, then it's like just a simple health UI. And to set this up, you want to open here. Oh wait, don't say this is, yeah, scripts EU, that just does, so it automatically does that. You want to get this in started UI, finally UI, which is not so long ago I saw that. Okay, and we're done there. And of course we gotta remove that. So now we want to add when we want to add, yeah, making out stuff up. Oh yeah, you know, the double jump. Oh yeah, no, never mind. If you want to have it, then yeah, I forgot I'm supposed to code to but then we want to, I don't know, I'm like looking here to find like something to use that I can code. But if you also search tool here, you'll get tools. Whoa. And I want to add punch tool, for example. You just click a yes, and that's how it goes. And you know, the nuke tool, yeah, that's my favorite. And you know, Bob's Burger, I took that from him. Now we got that. But then happens if you want the game to have cars. All you just gotta do is type car, and there's like plenty of cars. Well, the car that I will be using will be the candy van. Oh yeah, it's a prop car. No, come on, I wanted that car. Oh, but this will always be on the top because Roblox, so yeah, into having the stuff top. So I want to click this, and then we got a car, and we want this to be all around the map. Yeah. To duplicate this, you want to click and Control D, and you can move it. So what I'm doing is adding more cars just around the map evenly. Yeah. And then we want to also make invisible a wall so people cannot just drive those off and you will never have a car. So I want to click part, and we want to scale. Just scale until you got that, and just scale there and there. You want to make this high, and I mean super high. But then we can call this in wall, and we want to, and then I did not know this for a very long time, but to actually make this so that doesn't fall, I learned this like a couple years ago. You want to go down in properties and click anchor, but it's not invisible, right? Well, we got to go down, and there's something called transparency. Oh my god, we have that now. But we want to make that 0 because you're gonna copy paste it. We want to duplicate this with Control D. This at the sign. Okay, and Control D. Move. I want to see so it doesn't, yeah, good. And then the first invisible wall, and do the exact same. What we doing? Controlling it and moving it. Okay. Now we got all those, and we want to click this and then shift and hold shift and down there, and then we want to Control G. It will be a model. I want to click in here. I want to select all of them with shift and click, and then transparency 1, and so you and if you accidentally like click it, it will like, oh no, it moved. Then you want to click here, undo, and then you want to click here and shift, and then look for locked, and this, and boom, I cannot move them. How good is it? Okay, now we got basic game. Yeah, so we'll be adding next episode a lot of stuff, even this sexy looking guy. Yeah. Oh yeah. And then we want to also add in the Tesla Cybertrucks today, because it will be a gold car, you know. Good. Yeah. And that's all for today. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, because I'm trying to start my YouTube channel as a game developer. I am inspired by Gamer M8, and yeah, that's all for today, and bye bye. Or gay.